for my first trade here, we had a big gap up, and we had three relatively weak bars down, and relatively weak based on bar four and five. So bar four and five accelerated up, were bigger than the first three bars. They closed near their highs, and bar five closed well above bar one. So once we got bar four and five, I thought we're probably going at least a little bit higher for a second leg up. So I bought a small pullback down to the one high right here on bar six. As it pulled back to the one high, I bought at the market with 5 shares. Stop down here, and I put my target, a measured move up from the four low to the one high, which was around 331.80ish. I put it a little bit under the measured move target, so that my target was around 331.80. And because we got the pause here with the doji and then another bull bar here, I considered it to be 2 legs up. And so once we had 2 legs up and then the bear signal bar, I moved my stop to break even. I didn't want to put it right below the signal bar because I've been burned a few times like that in the past couple weeks, where it just went a little bit below the signal bar and then reversed up. So I just moved my stop to break even, and I moved my target to the high close. So once the signal bar triggered, I moved my target up here and thought I'll either get stopped out break even or I'll get my target at the high close. And luckily it went up to the high close first and filled me with 80 cents on 5 shares. So I ended up making $4 on this trade. I just bought above this bull bar. I have my stop below. I was considering putting my stop below here, but because we already had 2 reversals up, I thought it'd be okay to have my stop below the bull bar, the bull signal bar. So we had a breakout of this bull flag and a higher low with 2 reversals up. So I thought it'd be reasonable to buy for a swing, looking for a test up here. It's possible that we have to test down here to this higher low, but because we were at the low of the buy climax and reversing up, I thought it'd be okay to buy. So took a chance on it with 20 shares, stop below here. I put an order out to take off half at 30 cents if we get there. It's still a trading range, so I'll take off half at 30 and then half at the highs here, the other half at the highs. Got out 10 shares there at 30 cents. If I hadn't bought above this bull signal bar, I would buy above this big bull bar here after 2 consecutive bull bars. So if we go above this bar, I think we'll probably get up to my second target up here. I think it's a reasonable buy to buy above this bull bar. This thing looks like it's collapsing here, so hoping to get out break even. Okay, just ended up getting out around break even on the second half. So I made about $2 on it. That sucks because I was up $6 here, but I decided to keep half. Whereas if I had just scalped out all at 30 cents, it would have been $6 trade. But I thought I had to leave a little bit because this signal bar was a setup for a reasonable swing up to this high. And so I thought this bar was confirmation of that. So I didn't want to exit all when I saw that there was strength. I wasn't expecting a bull trend. I was just expecting a test of the high, which I thought was likely. But after this collapse down, I thought this was a bit too strong to the downside for me to stay in. So I ended up making a little over $2 on that trade. So I had $6.12 now.